Okay, number two, changing subject. So I want the subject to be R, and I have fractions adding together on the left-hand side. So I need to enlarge the fractions, okay, until they have the same denominator first, okay? So this 1/2R plus the 3s should be changed to a fraction with the denominator being 2R. So I have multiplied 2R to 3s, okay? So just like this, 3s times 2R, okay? And then the right-hand side is no change. So when the two fractions are having the same denominator, you may merge them to be one single fraction, like this, 1 plus. And then you can really multiply the two numbers together. 3 times 2 becomes 6, and we have R and S here, okay? And denominator is just 2R. Right-hand side is 1/4 plus T, no change. When both sides are changed to one single fraction, you may multiply the denominator to the opposite side directly, okay? So the 4 plus T is multiplied to the left, like this, and then the 2R is multiplied to the right, becomes 2R, okay? And then you may expand the bracket, like this, 1 times 4 is 4, and then 1 times T is T, and then 6RS times 4 is 24RS, and then 6RST equals to R. Okay, to cancel out all the fractions. And then I will keep all the R terms on one side and move all the other non-R terms to the other side. Okay, because I want the subject to be R. 即係先呢度有幾多個 R term 啊？有呢個、呢個、呢個，呢三 term 係 R term 嚟嘅，我要將佢擺埋邊。嗱，有陣時你會去選擇究竟擺去左邊定擺右邊咁樣嘅。個原則就係擺完之後，盡量少 negative signs 係最好嘅。OK， 盡量少負數係最好嘅。如果有一邊係擺完之後啊，如果有一邊會係全部都係負數嘅話咧，我哋就調翻轉去擺。譬如呢度咁樣，4加 T 呢個咧，係咪呢兩個係 no R term 啊 ，non R term 嚟嘅？如果我將呢個4加 T 都擺晒過右手邊嘅話咧，就全部都係 negative terms 係嘛？咁我哋就唔應該將個4加 T 擺喺右手邊，將4加 T 咧，即係應該要點咧？就係將個4加 T 咧 keep 翻喺左手邊。呢啲 R terms move to the right. Okay, so that is like this. 4 plus T keep on the left, and then 2R minus 24RS minus 4RST. It's like this. So all the R terms are on one side now. I can take out the common factor R. So 4 plus T equals R times 2 minus 24S minus. Wait. I've a typing mistake. This one should be 6. Okay, I'm sorry. This one should be 6. Okay, 6 RST, and then this one should be 6 RST. Okay, sorry, and then taking out the common factor R, what is remaining is 6 ST here. Okay, because I want R to be the subject, I just divide the remaining factor to the left. So I have 4 plus T over 2 minus 24S minus 6 ST is equal to R. That is already subject. Is that okay? 好啦，其實呢題咧，即係當然亦都有第二啲方法去做嘅，即係通常有越複雜嘅題目，就越多唔同嘅方法去做嘅咁樣樣。例如咧，你可以先將個3S 減翻過去先，通咗分母先。然之後呢一個咧1/2R咧，兩邊一齊咧 upside down 咁樣樣，即係 take reciprocal。跟住咧除翻佢過去嘅話咧，咁跟住就係最後答案嚟㗎啦。咁可能會快啲嘅，都唔定嘅。咁但係呢一個咧，咁就係一般嘅做法咧，一般任何題目都係可以咁樣做到嘅。OK， 有分數加減嘅話咧，我哋通分母啦，將成個 left hand side、right hand side 都整到一個分數等於一個分數嘅話咧，我就可以將分母乘過去對面啦， 拆晒過佢，跟住就分啲 subject terms 同埋 non-subject terms 咁樣。OK， 最後抽到 common factor 出嚟之後，除翻個 remaining factor 過嘅話咧，咁就一定係做到㗎啦。OK。All right. So next should be question number 5. If fx is equal to x to the power 100 minus 100x plus k and is divisible by x minus 1. So when you see the keyword divisible, it means remainder equals 0, right? Remainder equals 0. In this case, when it is divisible by x minus 1, the remainder is calculated by f number. And the number this time should be 1, okay? Because it's x minus 1 is the divisor, right? Okay? F1 can be calculated. It's 1 to the power 100 minus 100 times 1 plus k. 1 to any power is just 1, okay? So it's 1 minus 100 plus k. And it should be k minus 99, right? And this remainder should be equal to 0 because it is divisible, okay? So k minus 99 should be equal to 0, which means that k should be 99. That is the answer. Can follow? And up. And then number 6. 好似最多人錯嘅就係呢一個啦。Number 6. So px is a polynomial. When px is divided by 3x minus 4, the remainder is r, capital R. 好啦，呢個第一句。我哋可以將第一句咧，即係 when 呢句啊，可以表達咗出嚟先嘅。When px is divided by 3x minus 4, the remainder should be equal to p number, okay? And the number should be 4 over 3. 我呢度唔再寫嗰啲咩 put 嗰啲零啊，叫計 x 出嚟嗰啲啦 ，okay? Should be 4 over 3, right? And this should be the remainder. The question tells you that the remainder is equal to capital R, okay? So this one should be equal to capital R. And we can do nothing more because we do not know the formula of px, okay? So we cannot calculate p 4 over 3. So I just save this to be equation 1 first. So okay? 好嗱，呢度咧我教你一個寫法 ，OK， 一種寫法我覺得會係容易啲去到掌握啲嘅咁樣樣。咁就係咧呢種題目咧，成日都喺 DSE 裏面問嘅喎 ，OK， 成日都會問嘅喎。咁如果你覺得有少少混亂嘅話咧，你試下睇下我呢種寫法會唔會好少少啊？佢哋話咧 ，if px plus 3x is divided by 4 minus 3x， 好啦，有另一樣嘢係 divided by 4減 3x， 呢個另一樣嘢咧係關 px 事嘅。但係唔係就咁 px 嚟嘅，係喐過嘅，得唔得？喐過嘅，有改動過嘅。我哋叻佢做一個第二個嘢先，我哋叻佢做 fx 係等於 px plus 3x 咁樣樣先。OK， 成個即係呢一個 dividend 新嘅 dividend 叻佢做一個 fx 先。好啦，而家呢度咧，如果我叻咗佢做 fx 嘅話咧，呢一句説話，即係 if 嗰句説話啊，係咪變咗做咧？ If fx is divided by 4 minus 3x, then the remainder is 係咪咁樣啊？而家呢句説話就變咗咁樣啦。OK， 即係咧，如果呢個 fx divided by 4 minus 3x 嘅時候，題目就係叫你求個 remainder 啦。呢度 get 到啊？嗬，得唔得？ 好啦，咁呢一個係一個好普通嘅即係 remainder theorem 嘅題目嚟嘅啫喎，係嘛？即係個 dividend 就係 fx， 跟住個 divisor 就係 4 minus 3x， 然之後就係唔 care 個 quotient， 淨係問個 remainder， 咁咪用 remainder theorem 咯。OK，remainder theorem 嘅話咧，即係個 remainder 就會等於一個 f number 啦。f 乜嘢 number 啊？就係睇個 divisor 等於0嘅時候，個 x 等於幾多啦？都係咁樣做嘅，係咪？好啦，但係當呢個 divisor 係咁樣啦。 個 remainder 就係等於 f number 啦。乜嘢 number 啊？4減 3x 等於0嘅話咧， 個 x 計到咧，係咪都係4 over 3嚟㗎 ？OK， 即係 f4 over 3。OK， 但係呢個 f(x) 咧，我哋都係冇一條完整嘅公式嚟嘅。但係呢個 f(x) 係我哋自己叻出嚟㗎嘛，係嘛？我哋知道咧，佢可以變成啲咩咧？就係變成翻 px 加 3x 嘅。OK， 咁如果 f(x) 係等於 px 加 3x 嘅話咧 ，f4 over 3係咪等於 p4 over 3再加3乘以4 over 3咁樣啊？呢度 get 到我講嘅嘢，即係咁樣樣。我寫埋出嚟先啦，即係等於咧 p4 over 3 plus 3 times 4 over 3。Can you get this? Because the formula of the formula of fx is equal to px plus 3x. So when I substitute a number into x, then all the x inside the formula will be changed to that number. Okay, so that is how we do the function value, right? Okay, so the remainder, that is the required answer, is equal to p4 over 3 plus 3 times 4 over 3. But p4 over 3 has been prepared to be capital R. Is there anything wrong? You look so puzzled. It should be capital R plus, and then the second part is just a number, 4. Okay, so that is the answer. Do you understand? 嗱，頭先我講多次啊，呢一題咧，我想你哋學到嘅技巧咧就係以後咧呢一種題目見到有另外一個嘅喐咗嘅 function 嘅時候咧，如果你未係好處理得到嘅話咧，你試下叻一個新嘅 function 個名出嚟咁解啫。叻佢咧係一個完整咁嘅 function， 唔係一個 function 再加啲嘢咁樣。OK， 咁樣去做，跟住咧將佢寫翻一次。咁而家即係咧 f(x) divided by 4 minus 3x 嘅時候，跟住 remainder 係乜嘢嘢咁樣？而家題目就係問呢樣嘢啦。OK， 但係你寫到咁嘅時候咧，就會應該係個熟悉感咧就翻嚟㗎啦，係嘛？因為呢句句式咧，我哋做過好多次，就係個 remainder theorem 嚟嘅。OK， 求個 remainder 嘅話就係 f number。咁 f 嘅 number 咧就係咁計出嚟啦，得唔得 ？Is it okay？ 我抄過嚟先啦。So the answer is option A。好，跟住下一題係邊題啊？睇先 ，12。Okay, so we have 0.49 to the power m is equal to 49 to the power n equals 10,000. Okay, and the question asks you to find 1 over m minus 1 over n. 嗱，呢種咁嘅題目咧，基本上個 m 同埋個 n 喺個頭殼頂嗰度嘅時候咧，我哋第一樣嘢掹翻佢落嚟先。OK， 點掹啊？落佢啦，係咪？咁咧，我哋唔好嗱呢個咧有兩條式，即係左中右咁樣啦嘛。其實係兩條 equation 嚟嘅。我哋唔好抽左中嚟做一條式，因為咧右手邊嗰個咧係數字嚟嘅，係容易啲嘅。即係我哋唔好一次過 involve 兩個銀東喺度。OK， 我哋抽左右去列做一式，中右去列做二式，咁樣係咪好啲啊？記唔記到？即係咧咁樣咯。0.49 to the power m is equal to 10,000. Okay, and then because I want m to be the subject, so I take log 0.49 to the power m is equal to log 10,000. Okay, I use the common log. That is the log of base 10 this time. Okay, because I realized that the 10,000 is actually a power of 10 to the power 4, right? Okay, so the m can be brought to the front of the log. Log 0.49 is equal to log 10 to the power 4. And then 10 to the power 4, the power 4 can be brought to the front. It becomes 4 log 10, okay? And log 10, base 10 is equal to 1. So m is equal to 4 over log 0.49. Okay, and save this to equation 1. Can you follow these few steps? And I'm going to do the same steps to the 49 to the power n. Okay? So 49 to the power n is equal to 10,000. And then I take log on both sides. And then brought to the front. This should be log 10 to the power 4 again. Okay, and then n being a subject becomes 4 over log 49. Okay, and this is equation 2. 仲跟到我嗬？好啦，跟住好簡單嘅啫，跟住。Question asks to find 1 over m minus 1 over n. What is 1 over m? M is this fraction. Then 1 over m is just the reciprocal of this fraction. So that is the upside down. Okay, so that should be log 0.49 over 4. And 1 over n is also like this. Okay, just the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay, and then we find the difference between these two fractions. Let me paste it here first. Okay, and then 1 over m minus 1 over n becomes log 0.49 over 4 minus log 49 over 4. Okay, and when we are doing a subtraction between these two fractions, they are having the same denominator. We just merge them to be one single fraction. Okay. Well, actually, this is a pure number. You may use the calculator from starting from this step. But if you want to know, then you may use the property of log. Okay, log m minus log n becomes log m over n. Okay, like this. Right? Okay, 0.49 over 49 is 0.01. Okay, and then 0.01 is 1 over 100, or 10 to the power negative 2. Okay, so what is remaining is negative 2 log 10 over 4. The log 10 is equal to 1. So finally, it is negative 2 over 4. So the answer is negative 1 over 2. And that is answer B, option B. 得唔得呢度？咁咪到嗱呢啲，其實我真係我自己讀書嘅時候咧，覺得 log 呢一課啲數咧真係好好做嘅，其實即係都幾好玩添嘅有陣時。OK， 又唔係真係太難，又唔會係好複雜咁樣樣。OK， 咁你玩下砌下咧就砌到㗎啦，係嘛 ？OK， 你都覺得係啊，係嘛？你認同啊？係 ？OK， 係勁好玩。OK， do you have any more MC questions want me to talk about? Multiple choice. Anyone? How about long questions? Long questions. So any questions you want me to talk about first? Long questions. Number 1. And anyone? Number 2. 3. 9. Number 9. A or boy? Boy. Okay, thank you. Ah, this one.好，呢一題係有啲咩障礙啊？大家呢度好嘔心。嗱，我都覺嘅，我打都打到辛苦。咁啊但應該係個技巧方面咧 ，knowledge 方面咧，大家都識㗎啦。我想講咧，如果你哋由外邊做到裏邊嘅話咧，我覺得會痛苦好多嘅，係咪？如果你由裏邊去做翻去出邊嘅話咧，我覺得會舒服好多嘅，即係咁樣樣。裏邊即係其他外邊嗰啲咧，照抄翻先，逐步嚟。即係先將呢一個裏邊3/4次方嗰個開方咧，變成2/1次方先。做咩？ Okay, and then we have power of power. So we just multiply the powers together. Okay, it becomes this. Times a to the power 3/8. Okay, and then we have two terms multiplied together, and they have the same base 8. So we may just add their indexes together. Okay, like this. So it becomes 2/3加3%幾多？死啦！16加9 25 over 24係嘛 ？OK， 好啦，跟住逐個嚟啦，又係由裏邊開始啦。個 square root is changed to power 1/2。OK， 你幫我 check 啊，可能會計錯數㗎。Power 1/2， and then multiplying together, it becomes a to the power 25/48, right? Okay, and then you just add again. You add these two fractions together. Add the index together. Should be 49/48, right? Okay. And you change the square root to be power 1/2 again. Okay, it becomes 8 times a to the power 49/48 times 1/2. So that should be 49/96. Finally, this is power 1. This is power 1. And when you multiply these two terms together, you add the index together again. So 1 plus 49/96 should be 145/96. 145/96, and that is the final answer. Is that okay? Yeah. 你得唔得？喂，練下心算好唔好啊？大家。不過算啦，我係經過長時期研究訓練先至做到嘅。OK， 咁啊，你哋。Okay, do you have any more questions? In the long question you want me to talk about? 有邊題仲想講嘅？唔使客氣啊，唔好怕醜啊。有邊題想講嘅？真係冇？放學啦，係喎，真係冇啊？唔使講。放大邊個？唔夠，睇唔睇到？你下次坐呢度啊，唔該。OK， 有冇？有冇？嗱冇嘅話，咁我哋聽日就開 Chapter 9，得唔得 ？OK，Chapter 9就係我覺得好好玩嘅一課。冇錯，齋計嘅啫，冇任何 application 嘅題目。我最憎就文字題㗎，我自己。OK。齋計數啫 ，Chapter 9 OK Yes. Let's take a break. Okay, so please remember to bring textbook chapter 9 tomorrow. Okay, stand up. Goodbye, class.